Hi guys, welcome back to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. So in this one, we'll be seeing email spam classifier, how to classify if an email is spam or it is ham, that is normal. So let's go into the problem statement and see. So the end goal of this is to create a model or a tool that when you put a particular email, it gives it if it is spam or not spam. So you have to classify. This is binary classification problem. So how are we working in this? We have split it into three parts. The first part that is in this video, we'll be seeing how to vectorize any text, and in the second part we'll be cleaning the spam data set. In the third part we'll be building a model that trains for real spam classification. So in this one, I'll explain how email spam classification works. So basically, we get the email, we split it into different words. For example, in this, hey, what time is the meeting tomorrow? So here, hey, what time is the meeting tomorrow? So all these are different words. So after splitting it into separate words, we vectorize this. So how do we vectorize this? Basically, we create a vector and then we increase the counter to from 0 to 1 if the word is present, and that is how we vectorize. So that we get a different count, we get a proper count of all the words. So let's jump into the code and I'll explain directly in the code. So first we have corpus. So corpus is basically collection of documents that is used for NLP or text analysis in machine learning. So here we have some 5 lines of emails, samples of emails, and then we're creating a function called clean text. In this we are giving input as text. One of this would be given as input. And now what are we doing? We're converting all this text into lowercase so that it shouldn't be case sensitive. So we're converting everything into lower, and then we are going through the punctuation marks, full stop, comma, exclamation, question mark, everything, and then we're replacing it with a blank space. So all these extra exclamation mark goes away, and then we're returning normal text. So this is basically we clean the data now. Now the data is in proper form. Now we have to build vocabulary. What is vocabulary in email classification? It's basically a collection of unique words. The word shouldn't be repeated. So which data type doesn't support duplicate elements, it is a set. So we're creating a set for word set, a variable called word set as set. And then we are going through the corpus. Corpus is basically the text what we are giving, and we are cleaning it. So we are using the clean text function and cleaning the entire doc. And then we are creating it, converting it into words. So basically, once we have cleaned everything, now we are enabling the splitting function. So that splits everything into different words, and then in the word set we are adding the words. So in this, if we have any duplicates, then it gets automatically removed. So we don't have to take care about duplicates. And then we are converting this into list, this word set into a list, and then we are sorting it in alphabetical order. So everything is in place. Now this is basically building vocabulary. We've seen how to clean text and how to build vocabulary. Now what are we doing? We'll see how to vectorize it. So basically we are creating a vector of zeros. A number of zeros would be equal to the length of the vocabulary. How many ever words are there in the vocabulary, that would be equal to the length, and everything we are putting as 0. Now what we are doing, we are using the clean text function again along with the words. So again we are splitting the data into different words. Now we are iterating for every word in words. If the word is present in vocabulary, then we are putting the index and marking it as 1 in the vector. Let's say the first word of the vector is R, and then we are giving this as the input. So now when it encounters R, so it marks the R as, so it increases the count of R from 0 to 1. So this is how it works. So now, and then we are finally returning the vector. So now we have the main function, and we are giving the building the vocabulary from the corpus which is present, and again vectorizing everything. So I hope you guys know that. Now let me run this code and show you. Okay, so this is our output. So basically vocabulary has 36 words including everything. All of these has 36 words in total, unique words. So for example, you is here also, here also. So we are using only one. Like that, there are many different words. We're using it only one time. So yeah, okay. So urgent, you have a 1 week free membership in our prize jackpot. So this is the first corpus, the first statement, and here you can see that 1 is the first word in the vocabulary, A is the second word. So we have both index 0 and 1 is marked as 1 1, and because we don't have a R in this, it remains 0. Similarly, for every word present in this, we're checking it in the vocabulary and marking it as 1. So this is done for all the 5 texts. So this was about this program. The first part is done. I hope you guys understood. If you have any doubts, then let me know in the comment section. And you can try this as well. This is easy. Head to the CodeShift platform and try it on your own. I'm sure you guys would be able to do this. So I'll meet you in the next part. Until then, keep coding. Thank you.